What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It is dnia.deanna, and you are now watching 30 on 30, our series talking all about how 30 has shaped and formed us to be these individuals right here, right now. So we won't be for you too long. However, today is just more so of talking about how we're feeling right now into 30 versus speaking on the past of 30, but just how does it feel right now to be 30 and getting out of 30, but just like the feeling. I'll start.
Go ahead.
Don't. This has been a very long year. This has been
A felt year.
A felt year. Also running away from feeling so much I couldn't run away from. And so it's been so much of emotion and so much of like emphasis on just like being human, like literally learning how to be human again. This is my 30, learning how to be human again. I've been feeling every single thing. What was that? Oh, you used the word. It was a word that
Awareness.
Rage.
I use rage.
Remember, you was just like rage. Was it rage or dang? It was something else. But you was like, I don't want to use the word mad or angry. I feel this.
Maybe it was wrath.
It was something, but it's like we've been feeling new and different feelings. And just to speak about right now, it feels so great. Like it feels like the new year. And of course, if it's the new year, that means we're not 30 no more. But at the same time, the feeling of the ending of 30 has been feeling so light, like a feather. Like it just feels like walking on, insert that song, walking on air.
I can't find the song. For real, I haven't been able to find that song since 2008.
Y'all know, you know.
Walking on air.
Walking on air. But it's a beautiful feeling that's radiating through all of our people. It's a beautiful feeling that's just radiating through us. And it's felt throughout the crib, it's felt throughout our creativity, it's felt throughout conversations. It's just a great feeling to feel. And I'm excited for this. I'm grateful for this feeling because it's like, hold on, please. I was telling her, I'm just like, basically I have to dig a little deeper down on why this feeling is bringing up some traumatic things for me. But it's like I have to dig deep and process how these feelings feel. Hold on, y'all. What is that? Battery low. Long story short, I've been wanting to accept and live and embody and feel all of this happiness, this joy, and not think about why am I so what's gonna happen. Like I'm feeling all this great feelings and all of this newness is around me. Something bad finna happen, and I'm like, I don't want to think like that. So
you want to dwell in the good.
Dwell in the good and know that I deserve to feel all of this. We deserve to feel all of this. So yeah, right now, I feel remarkable.
And I will say, I would like to add that same, even though we're twins, of course our experience with being dirty, never that. Because we are twins doesn't mean that our experience with 30 was the same. I will say that some stages were kind of parallel. Like the topics of what we was going through is similar. Like when I'm going through something, I'd be like, something this, and she'd be like, yeah, this same way. We'd be like, wait a minute, not the same thing, not the same topic, the same energy, but like different experiences, but they seem parallel. But like since we are in April, which is our birthday month, this is literally like the ending of that chapter. And as much pain and distress y'all might be able to see in my face when I'm expressing
that slim face.
Oh,
them cheekbone faces.
Y'all watching Creating the Vision just dropped 30 pounds. It's official today. Creating the Vision is going to be dropping also. Y'all can check that out. I'm on my weight loss journey, but back we gonna reel it back. April is the finale to the entry to 30. And the entry was tough. You know, everybody's is different, but I will say, like, mine was challenging. But yesterday we went to our friend's 30th birthday.
Shout out to
Jylen. Okay.
Shout out to the Aries of April.
Shout out to the babies of the April, the diamond babies. Okay. And just being around her 30 energy, you know, and I'm just like, the energy do really feel good. I'm like, it's really April. And I said, as soon as April hit, it just seemed like a kiss on the forehead.
Yeah.
And not to say like life was hard and now it's easy, but it's just like, whatever messages it was that we needed to receive to get us together at 30 is like, now we got it, and now we can flow with it. I'm all alone now. Dania left me, and I have to finish what I was saying here. So hello you all to Deanna by herself. April is about to finalize the 365 days of being 30, and it's like, now that I'm at the end of 30, it's starting to feel lighter, you know, and I am so grateful for that. So yesterday, while we were in the party festivities, celebrating all of the newness, somebody was celebrating their birthday, somebody was celebrating their fiancé-ship, somebody was celebrating starting a brand new relationship, someone was celebrating welcoming in a new child, and it was just a lot of new, and the energy just felt good. And when I got home and was able to really wind down of the day, I got a spark, a realization in my head, and I wrote it down. So I said, there is someone you told yourself you would become or have always wanted to be. 30 is trying to push you closer to it. It hurts because you are leaving comfort and taking the steps into brand new territory. If you aren't aware of what's happening, the resistance against the new is going to start to feel painful if you aren't allowing the change. But change hurts sometimes. You have to walk into the new, do the new, test out the new cold turkey. You'll feel different and it might scare you, but it will be worth the ride, worth the effort. New is different, not the same. And so I got that realization. Of course, it was a message for myself, but I know I'm not the only person that feels that. There are so many wishes that we all have made to ourselves and to our lives ever since we was little kids. Oh, I wish I was this, or I wish I could do this, or I want to be this. So many wishes, hopes, and dreams. And it's just like 30 brings you to that state where it's just like, ain't no more wishing, ain't no more hoping. If that's the person that you want to be, if that's the activity that you want to do, if that's the hobby that you want to take on, what are you wishing for? Why don't you go do it? And then of course, like, you in the inside is like, I'm scared, I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it. And 30's like, come on, let's go. And so stepping out of the old and into the new, it hurts. And so, not to say like that's why I was experiencing the pains or the obstacles that I was going through, but the pains and the obstacles, they're going to teach you what it is that you need to learn so you can become this person that you said that you wanted to be. Or even if you didn't say you wanted to be this person, it's a higher version of you that are all of the things that you aren't right now, but you have to plant the seeds to grow into that person, you know? So like, 30 is ending, we're stepping into 31, and I am just happy to feel like the gates have been opened for me. I can't put into words truly how I felt through the initiation of turning 30. I don't feel that way no more, and I feel good. So I'm happy to say that I made it through the 30 gates, but it's going to be new. This is a brand new territory, and there is so much potential in every single life. Like, we are all seeds in a forest, and every seed has the possibility to be a tree. I didn't make that up. I read that somewhere. But if you really think about it, every seed has the possibility to be a tree, but it's not. If it's not planted, it is not watered. We have so many ways to fulfill our lives, and doing what we used to do at 29, 25, 20, 19, 13, 14, all of them, like, now you're grown. Listen, you're literally taking your life in your own hands and getting new wisdom to actually execute it. And that's what 30 is. And the thing is, you wouldn't think it would be hard, but it was, or it is, and hard is different. Hard, not bad. It's just not easy. It's going to take some effort, some consistency, and some intention to really get what it is that you said you wanted. Because if you want it so bad, you're not going to stop until you get it. So April has been bringing new feelings upon us, which we are so grateful for. I am ready to close off the entry to 30, and I am excited to see what the 30s continue to bring to my life. So this is 30 on 30. I believe this is episode 5, and life is looking bright. We are feeling good, and we don't want to scare the people who are stepping into 30, because it's not a scary roller coaster for everybody's path is different, so just learn what it is that you need to learn from your path. Learn what it is that you need to learn from your life. And just don't forget what it is that you said that you wanted to be, who you wanted to be, and take the steps through the fear to become that person, because you deserve to live through your potential and not just hope and wish that you could have been these things. 30 is trying to get you there. It's like, all right, I'm grown. Come on, we finna be grown, and we finna get to what it is that we want. Because why want and hope and don't have? You might as well get it. It's just gonna take a little effort, and you gotta do different to get different. So we will catch y'all on the next episode. Dania better be in that episode, because how she gonna leave me? But subscribe to our channel, like and comment anything that you want to either advise someone who is turning 30, or please give us some advice if you are already 30, because help is needed and we should all be helping each other. So I will catch y'all later, and good night.